Welcome to Stuff for Chevrolet. We are located at 10109 89th Ave in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, just outside of Edmonton, Alberta. We are looking at a 2012 Honda Civic Sdn EX in urban titanium metallic with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. It's got fog lights in the front, aluminum rims, moving inside the back seat, you've got power windows, gray cloth seating, cup holder folds down in the center, pouches on the backs of the seats. In the front, you got power windows, locks and mirrors on the door, sunroof. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings as well as voice activation and hands-free, and your cluster controls. You've got your climate settings, radio. Thank you for watching this video of the 2012 Honda Civic Sdn EX in urban titanium metallic. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video on YouTube. If you'd like more info, give us a call or check our website.